ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः.
Saram devotees, when anyone is chanting the Lord's name as mantra or in any other form, say Rama Rama or Krishna Krishna, Shiva Shiva, or in any form, say Praise the Lord or Allahu Akbar, or there are many words in various languages. There are 99 names of Lord's name in Quran. Like that, there are various names of Lord in Bible. In all the languages, you find different names as mantra. These all can be chanted as mantras in anybody's worship. It is not necessary that you should sit in the puja room and do all the Kriya Puja. Kriya Puja in the sense, light the lamp, offer some prasad, and then ring the bell, do the Karpura Arti, like that. This is all known as the Kriya Puja. There are some saints, they call it always the meditation by words of chanting mantra. This also brought enormous effect and concentration towards the Lord. Very much. In very good example for that, there was a young Brahmin who used to visit Srirangam temple every day to take prasad from the temple. So whatever the Anna Prasada, whatever they were giving in the temple, he used to bring it home for his children and his wife. That was the only job he was doing, because he was not knowing any other job. He used to visit the temple and take prasada and go back to his home to feed his wife and children, like that. So to get enough food, he used to come again and again in the queue to get more prasadam, so that he can feed all his children and his wife. So the employees of the temple noticed this, and they used to send him away always. Don't come many times in the queue, take only once, like that. One day, the great Saint Ramanujacharya was visiting that area to see how the prasadams are distributed to the devotees. So he also noticed this person coming again and again in the queue taking prasadam. Then he called that Brahmin to ask him why he is collecting so many times prasadam in the queue. Only one time whatever you are taking is enough for you. Why you are taking so many times? Then he says, my children and my wife at home are hungry. The one time prasadam will not be enough for my family.
ॐ श्री साई